Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Civil Supply Department tells people not to buy excess petrol. BJP demands a coordination committee on petrol. BJP says rivalry between oil companies has led to fuel shortage. LK Advani's Chetna Yatra to arrive in state on Tuesday. Security tightened. Public meeting by Advani at Curchorem and Mapusa. Advani to take on corruption and inflation. Chicalim Barge blast might have occurred due to hydrocarbon vapour explosion. Suspects factories and boilers inspector. Over sports, Sporting Club de Goa register first victory in 2011-12 I-League. Flaming Orange prevail over Shillong Lajong in a 7-goal thriller. And government approves budget of over 6 crores to prepare Goan teams for Lusophonia and national games. Next big event in Goa will be Asian Beach Games 2018. And now the news in detail. Civil Supply Department has requested people not to purchase petrol in large quantities as it can unnecessarily aggravate the fuel shortage in Goa. Department has assured that supply of petrol would be normal by Tuesday. However, BJP has demanded setting up of a coordination committee headed by Civil Supply Director to monitor distribution of petrol between different oil companies. BJP says rivalry between oil companies is causing hardship to common man.
Long queues were seen at all petrol pumps in Goa even on Monday. Petrol shortage is there across all cities. Mapusa is experiencing petrol shortage from last 7 days.
Traffic na petrol na munta government kide korong jay beste bosun fayda na hanger lokache stogle trasan border traffic jam zalat police kon na ani lok trasan hotan taptat kide kottele lo magi ata tumi election yetale magi तुमका vote दियो.
आम्ही पुण्यावरून आलोय 29 तारखेला गोव्यामध्ये गोवा बघायला. कालपासून आम्ही पेट्रोलसाठी फिरतोय. पेट्रोल काय आम्हाला गोव्यात अजून 4-5 ठिकाणी फिरलो पण कुठे पेट्रोल मिळालेलं नाहीये.
I have been waiting for petrol for the last 3 days. Everywhere I go, I'm parking my car. I have to wait for almost half an hour.
Some people had to borrow petrol from bikes from other friends and run their vehicles.
खाल्लं आता पळून गेले पण आता इंटरव्यू गेलो सकाळी इंटरव्यू त्याला मोटरसायकल बंद पडली मडगाव बी पेट्रोल ना हांगा आता पुरा वेर्ना नुवे पेंजीम थंय बी ना ते येतना मोटरसायकल बंद पडले थंयच्यान चलून येलो इंटरव्यू दिली आता मोटरसायकल पेट्रोल दी म्हटल्यार पळय बटलेन बी पेट्रोल दिना त्याला लोकांची दोस्ताची मोटरसायकल मागून पेट्रोल काढून आता पेट्रोल काढलं आता फ्रेंडाची मोटरसायकल
BJP is upset with petroleum companies as they claim that this shortage is due to negligence and improper coordination amongst oil companies. They have blamed it on infighting within the oil companies. They have demanded a coordination committee to look into the petrol distribution.
आमचे आयजूय म्हणणे आसा की गव्हर्नमेंटान हातून इंटरव्हीन जावचें. फक्त दिगंबर कामत म्हणटा की आज ह्या कमिटीची मीटिंग फाल्यां त्या कमिटीची मीटिंग इतलेंच चलिल्लें आसा. हाज्या भायर कांयच जायना. म्हणून आमचें म्हणणें आसा की ताबडतोब एक कोऑर्डिनेशन कमिटी करात and let it work under the monitoring committee of civil supplies director. Let it work under civil supplies director. जाल्यार IOC जितलो कोटा येता तो सगळ्यांक डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करपाक मेळटलो.
Meanwhile, state government has clarified that stocks of oil are arriving in Goa and shortage would be eliminated soon. One tanker of Indian oil with 20,000 metric ton petrol has arrived in Goa. Another tanker of HP is expected soon. Meanwhile, Civil Supply Secretary DC Sahu has written letter to Indian Oil to discharge petrol to other companies so that demand can be met. However, government has requested public not to panic as excess buying would unnecessarily create further shortage.
And there is no problem for diesel, almost there is no problem at all.
Okay.
So these particulars of petrol pump are seen different places. That they are closed or long line is there. This is due to panic buying.
Okay.
Panic buying by some by consumers.
Okay,
so
sir.
they are thinking those who require 10 liter or 15 liter, they are buying now full tank. So therefore other people are suffering.
Okay.
So petrol pump, so all consumers should be well. There is no problem at all. It is only temporary. Which from tomorrow going to improve day by day, and by 7th everything will become normal.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Mentor of Bharatiya Janata Party LK Advani's Chetna Yatra will reach in Goa on 1st November. Security has been beefed up in the wake of this Yatra. Advani will have a public meeting in Curchorem and Mapusa. He will stress mainly on corruption, illegal mining and inflation.
LK Advani's Chetna Yatra will reach to Goa on Tuesday afternoon. The Yatra commenced from the state of Bihar, visited Tamil Nadu and crossed Karnataka on Monday. On their journey, a pipe bomb was detected at Madurai. Hence, security arrangements in the state are tightened. As per the sources, the Yatra will reach to Pole at about 12:30 in the afternoon. He will speak at a public meeting near Curchorem bus stand in the evening. The second consecutive meet will be held on the same day at Mapusa taxi stand in the evening. Advani will then address the media on Wednesday morning. Security arrangements have been tightened at all places to avoid any untoward situation.
आता त्याच्यावर मगाशी खूपशी चर्चा आता पुढलं भावी प्रधानमंत्री असो नासो तो विषय करपाची गरज ना पण आयज जो पासून तो जे काम करता पळय ते टोकणाय करू सारखे आहा
ह्या यात्रेबद्दल अजून दोन गोष्टी एक दोन जनसभा आसात जे उत्तरेक म्हापसा आणि दक्षिणेक कुडचडे दोनच मोठे सभा जातले.
On Wednesday, Chetna Yatra will proceed to Maharashtra via Pedne route. This yatra has only one motive, to enlighten people on rise in corruption. A senior reporter Rakesh Kandulkar with Mayur Naik.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.